You spend hours cutting clips, adding effects, tweaking audio, and editing subtitles. What if I told you AI could do it for you in minutes? AI-powered video editing is changing the game for YouTubers, making editing faster, smarter, and easier than ever before. Let's be real, editing is the most time-consuming part of content creation. Trimming clips, syncing audio, adding text, and making sure everything looks professional. It's a lot, but what if you could cut your editing time in half and still get pro-level results? AI-powered editors can automate tedious tasks like cutting out silences automatically, generating subtitles in seconds, adding transitions and effects with one click, matching music to beats for smooth edits, even removing background noise instantly. With AI, you spend less time editing and more time creating. Here are some of the best AI video editors out right now. Vizsla, AI-powered editing, stock media, and voiceovers in one platform. Descript, edit videos just by editing text. Runway, advanced AI effects and green screen removal. Adobe Premiere AI, AI tools for pro-level editing. CapCut, free AI editing for short-form videos. No matter your style, there's an AI tool for you. Still not convinced? Let's compare. Manual editing takes hours to cut, trim, and adjust. AI editing takes minutes with automation. If you want to grow faster and post consistently, AI editing is your secret weapon. AI is the future of video editing, and it's here right now. Which AI tool do you want to try? Drop a comment below, and if you want more tips on AI tools for YouTubers, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.